talking money, nigga, it ain't no discussion. These they be in my face, all these interruptions. I had to do it myself, I ain't having stress.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Smoove, and you already know what's happening in the back of another banger. As you see by the title, it's another lit video. As y'all can see by the video, I'm in the car. But this is how we're gonna do this video, man, because I'm finna get something to eat right quick, and I might not be home till later, but I want to make this video for y'all. But y'all see by the title, y'all know what we're talking about. This is basically what to tell y'all barbers at the barbershop for the best cut and for the best beard progress, so the barber won't mess up your progress. So stay tuned, watch the full video, man. Get y'all products, bro. Get y'all beard products, get y'all beard looking good, get y'all oil, y'all minoxidil for sure. Key products. Also get y'all biotin, man. Y'all see how my skin is shining in this light? It's because of the biotin. The biotin will bring the extra shine out in your skin and your hair. It's gonna make your hair more shiny and more darker, you feel me? So get y'all products, the bearderones.com. But leave a like for the video, subscribe to the channel, but enough talking, let's jump straight. First thing first, man, depending on your hair type, whatever you is, bro, race don't matter. I don't care if you white, you black, Hispanic, just try it out, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna give you some juice, you know? So when you go to a barbershop, bro, hairstyle, bro, we in 2022, bro. Don't be getting all around cuts no more. You know what I'm saying? Don't be getting a fade all the way around. If you a white, I don't know what, if you white, I don't know what kind of hairstyles y'all get, but don't get it all the way. Tell your barber to fade me. So thinking right now is either low fade or high fade. So right now I got a low fade, because obviously I can't have a high fade because I got my braids go all the way to the, my dreads go all the way to the back. It's braided right now, but my dreads, they all the way to the back to the side. So I got a low fade around the edges. Around my whole head is a low fade. And it's faded into my beard. So keep it like that with your haircut, bro. And you know what I'm saying, whether you got short hair, long hair, that don't really make a difference. Just make sure you got a fade, bro. That's key. So that's for the haircut, that's for the haircuts, but onto the beard, we'll tell your barber. So first thing first, no matter where you at in your progress, tell your barber, always tell your barber this before once you get in the chair, bro. I always say keep my beard as high as it let me. Y'all see, like this where my beard was naturally at, but y'all see the line. I tell him don't cut. Hold on, let this truck pass. I tell him don't cut where you see my beard, cut a little bit above it. And then so he draw a line on there and then he literally cut it out. So I make sure you keep it as high as it can, because I always want my beard to grow. You know what I'm saying? Everything in life we elevate, we want it up, going up, growing, you feel me? So don't let him cut your progress off. So you gotta tell him, you gotta remind your barber. You can't just think that he gonna remember, because your barber 9 out of 10 cutting a lot of different clients a day. You gotta think about that too. So he can't just remember your cut every time. So you gotta make sure you remind him. It's up to you. It's your head, it's your face. So you gotta tell him, like, look, keep my junk as high as it can go. Don't cut it. Mustache, bro. If you got a beard without a mustache, you tripping. And if you can't grow a mustache, then grow one. You can. You feel me? But tell them, don't cut my mustache. Say, just line it up. And if your mustache small, you don't got one, don't even tell them. Be like, look, your first 2 cuts, and then your next 2 cuts, if you don't got a mustache, tell your barber to don't touch my mustache. Don't touch it. Say, line my beard up as high as it can. Don't touch my mustache. Now, if you already got a thick mustache or your mustache go thick, tell them this. Say, line my mustache up. Don't trim it or don't cut it. Just line it up. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna bring your mustache come in. It's gonna make it to where your beard look more fuller. Everything, you know, a lot of things is about illusion. You gotta realize that. Like, if you see me in person, like, my beard gonna look dumb full, which it is. But really though, everybody be having, like, some people got, you know, everybody different, bro. So I can tell you, like, you gotta work with what you got and make it the best you can make it. Everybody, some dudes got full beards out here. Obviously, y'all don't seen them. Y'all don't see people out in public, their beards like this long. Now, a lot of that got to do with genetics, but it's just on how strong and how black and how dark your beard is going to be. It's basically genetics, but anybody can grow a beard. So that's not what I'm saying, but you got to work with what you got, bro. So with your mustache being longer, it's going to make that effect look, you know what I'm saying? Like, okay, damn, your beard connected, it look thick, it look full. But if you look deep, bro, I got a patch right here, right there. But it's not going to look like that, because I know how to maneuver my shit. I've been doing this for so long, like, I make my shit look thick if I want it. I make it a little laid down if I want it. But that's what you tell your barber, bro, especially on the height. Now the next tip is, this one's gonna save you. This one, hold on, let this truck pass by. All right, sorry about the shade, bro. I'm trying to be in the light, bro. I ain't trying to be in the dark. But tell your barber this. It's gonna save you. It's gonna help your beard look 100 times thicker. And I see people make this mistake all the time, bro, with beards. The people got 5 beards, but they made this one mistake. They let people cut underneath their beard, bro. Like, I don't want to too much show mine, because I know my shit probably look crazy right now. I ain't gonna cap, like, just underneath my beard. But tell your barber, don't cut underneath your beard, bro. Don't tell him, look, for your next 2 cuts, especially if you the ones been doing this, been getting your shit lined up like this, all the way under here. I don't know if I can see that, but If you've been letting them line your beard up underneath like that, bro, tell your barbers to stop that ASAP, Rocky, bro. Tell them, like, look, don't touch underneath my beard no more, at least for 2 weeks. Let this shit grow out. And then after that, say don't cut underneath it. Just line up my hair where you see the hairs growing on my neck. Just say line up the hairs that you see growing on my neck. Don't cut underneath my beard. And tell them that. This gonna give your beard that more fuller look, especially from the side. Cause, so look, so from this how my side view look right now. Y'all can see, like, okay, damn. Okay, I got a pen, this might help. Okay, so look. So if you don't tell your barber to not cut under your beard, this what you're gonna look like. Your beard gonna be cut off right here. You know what I'm saying? Cause this is underneath my chin. So so from the side, it's gonna look like, damn, bro, your beard look skinny as fuck. When you missing all this. And it's not, this hair under here right now, it's not even long, it's not even full for real. But it still give it that full effect, you know what I'm saying? Because he not cutting underneath there. So that's a tip, bro. It's gonna make y'all beard look fuller, more thicker, more litter. Tell them don't cut underneath y'all beard, bro. It's gonna save y'all. It's a lifesaver, bro. Trust me. It's gonna put y'all in the game. I'm talking with my pen, I'm tripping. But yeah, man, tell them don't cut underneath your beard and then let it grow out for like 2 weeks to like a month, bro. And then just get it lined up. It's not gonna be that big of a difference. How often you gonna be walking around like this with your neck up? So nobody gonna see really what's going on, but it's gonna make your shit look fuller for sure. Another tip. Damn, but that's something hit my skin different. That bottom, man, kicking in. I'm telling you. Yeah. But yeah, man. And another tip is telling your barber, like, depending on how you want it. Like, I don't let my barber touch underneath my lip. So just basically, bro, tell them don't cut nothing. Like, don't, unless you want, like, my shit just grow like that. But it's one barber I go to, sometimes he cut under there, but he don't really do too much. But back in the day, like, when I used to go to college, like, the barber he used to cut my shit like a box. I used to have a box under here. Don't do that, bro. Tell your barber don't cut none of this, bro. You feel me? Just let this shit grow out. Let everything grow out. The only thing you should be telling your barber is to cut as high as you can. My mustache, shape it up. Don't cut it. Don't cut it. Don't trim it. Just line it up. Shape it up. You feel me? Don't cut it underneath my beard. You key. Remember your hair, bro. No matter what race you is, try it out, bro. Just try to get a fade. So just give me a low fade and keep my sideburns, keep my beard. Tell them that next time you get a cut. Just try it out, bro. You gonna thank you. And then I promise you gonna get compliments. People gonna be like, bro, you look smooth. Like, dang, I like what you're doing with your hair. Get the fades, bro. We're in 2022. It's time to up our style. But that's it for this video. Hopefully y'all like it, man. It's in the car. It's on the run. I just thought about this because I just got a cut. I'm like, bro, I'm getting these fresh cuts. Let me help my family out, man. Let them know what's up for real. How they can make that shit look fresh. So if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all leave a like for me. It's gonna help out a lot, man. Subscribe to the channel. Give me the 10K. Get y'all products, man. Your beard going crazy, man. It's hitting the light. It's hitting my skin. It's crazy that body going stupid. Get y'all products at beardedones.com. Use code Deuce. Use code Red. Use code Grizzly. Use code Dro for 10% off. You know what I'm saying? Products going cheap and it's 100% good quality, all natural products. I'm gonna put them codes in the description too so y'all can see and get y'all percentages off, man. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, but I'm out. Peace.